breaking news. Breaking news, eh? Yeah, over in the newsroom. Shirley, the cub reporter, and LJ, the Anchorman, Long Johnson, well, they're having a discussion that sounds a lot like an argument. Oh, our news cameras are cutting to the very interesting argument, and then disagreement that's going on much more important than the real program. Okay, here we go. Going over to the newsroom.
I beg to differ with you, Long Johnson. I beg to differ with you. Well, I don't care. I'm gonna think what I'm gonna think. They never have ever been able to shut me off. I say what I say, and I say what I want to say. I saw them stop you from talking about Blanket Man. I saw them cut you off. Well, that was just one time. They're gonna do it to you again because you're siding with President Trump. And everybody hates him, and I don't hate him, but everybody else does, so I don't talk about him. Well, you said you disagreed with me. You don't really disagree with me, do you? Well, okay. I admit I don't quite disagree with you. But I'm not saying anything for Mr. Trump because they're going to fire me if I do. Well, they're not going to fire me because I'll start my own channel. And I still say that when Greenland wouldn't even talk to him, when Denmark wouldn't even talk to him, they're just saying, I hate you, I don't like you. Oh, but trade with me. Yeah, trade with me. I know, they said that they were open for business, but that's the only thing. I know, and they don't like Mr. Trump. And maybe, has it ever occurred to them that God put him there? Their Danish king and queen are Christians. They believe they're there because God put them there. I know, and God brought Mr. Trump to office, and he's given them good ideas. And maybe they can work out some other agreement besides buying some land. Yeah, he said it was just a real estate deal, so maybe they should think that he might know some things that they don't know, and why would he bring the subject up? You mean why would God tell him to bring the subject up? That's exactly what I meant. Hey, you guys, go back to your normal program. This is a private discussion.